Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm at the Alexan at the Galleria. I'm doing a really quick walkthrough of their two-bedroom. This is going to be a little over a minute. So this is what it looks like. We're walking in, really pretty, beautiful kitchen area. Look, it's just this really light tan cabinets, really pretty. Gorgeous backsplash here, kind of sort of honeycombish. More just really nice features on this. You've got a lot of cabinet space, a lot of really pretty countertop space here too. And just the fronts of the cabinets are really nice too. I love the floor. The floor is beautiful. It's a really light floor. This is a beautiful island too, so you can have three people there. Super nice. This is the living room. The living room is adorable. It's gorgeous. Really nice living room. A lot of space, so you could easily put a couch and a sectional in there if you wanted to. This does have a balcony. The balcony does open up, so you got a balcony. You can have a pool view like that, so that's super nice. And then let's peek into one of the bedrooms. So this is the master. This is a king bed in there. Really nice king bed. A lot of light in here. It's a really big room in there to me. This is the bathroom. The bathroom looks adorable. That's a full walk-in shower. Dual sink here too. Love the dual sink. And then here is the closet. So this closet has great space. Really nice storage in here. So this is what it looks like in here. If you have any questions about what you're seeing, or if you're ready to set up a virtual tour, that's what I'd recommend. Just do a virtual tour. We'll set that up for you. It's free. It's part of our 100% free service. And we'll get you that virtual tour set up even as early as today. Or if you just want to ask questions about the best apartments in the area, you can send me that text as well. I look forward to hearing from you. I'm Grant. That's my number below.